If you want to activate and use Gemini on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, you actually have a couple of ways to do so. So the first method to activate Gemini is by simply pressing and holding the power button. If you press and hold the power button, you will see this little prompt at the bottom, which is of course Gemini. You might need to also activate Gemini for the first time if you turn it on for the first time like that. But after that, of course, you can just simply press and hold the button in order to do so. Besides that, we have the Gemini app in the app drawer, so you can open the Gemini app like this, and of course you can use Gemini like that. Furthermore, if you use gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards, so for example something like that, and as you can see you can activate the Gemini this way as well. Furthermore, we're gonna go back to the Gemini app. Over here we can tap on our profile in the upper right corner, and then we can proceed to settings, and then in here you should be able to find the, let me actually try to find it, talk to Gemini hands-free, and in here we should be able to find Hey Google, which is the voice recognition. So you can say Hey Google, or in some other languages or regions, OK Google, in order to activate Gemini like that, so without having to press any buttons. And that is essentially it. Now there is of course also another option. You can, for example, create a widget in the home screen that you can easily add over here. So you can, for example, activate the Gemini by using this widget in here. But that is pretty much everything. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.